Welcome to another tutorial video. Today, we're gonna cover how to use a timer function to track your program cycle time or anything that you want. For example, the robot is drawing a triangle here. Let's say we want to know how long it takes to draw this triangle. In the robot programming, we can simply add a timer here and a timer here. So first, in the timer command, there's start, stop, and reset option. So we're gonna start timer 1 and we're gonna stop timer 1 when we finish drawing the triangle. And later, we'll see that timer 1 variable appear here to show us how much time has elapsed. Here, you see the robot's drawing a triangle, and the timer here is tracking the time. And this is how you use a timer to track your program cycle time. Thank you for watching.